Howdy YouTube, it's your buddy Ian, general contractor, and what you're looking at behind me is a 3/4 inch piece of birch plywood that we used on this Peninsula. This is an IKEA kitchen that was done in 2017. We wanted something with a little bit of character, and this is just a great sheet of birch plywood that has this really nice wood grain running to the wall that worked out great. Let me show you a couple details in this quick video. Here we go. So here's a view of the Peninsula of the kitchen. This is a pretty basic IKEA kitchen. Here's the Peninsula. And as we get closer to this, you'll see this is simply just a piece of 3/4 inch birch plywood. And what it has on the end here is called edge banding. This just comes in a roll and it glues to the edge of plywood so you can give it the look of a solid piece of wood. We get down here to the solid toe kick down here that comes across. And I did not add any trim to the bottom of this. I really like the look of it coming right straight to the floor. And I will walk you around to the other side here. Here's the other side. We'll walk to the back of the room. Here's the two seats sitting at it. It just has this really nice flow of wood going to the wall. Here we have the birch plywood coming to the white wall. Here it is right here. Comes right to the top of the bottom of the butcher block countertop, just like that. So I wanted to make this video because if you're looking for a solution to the outside of a kitchen island or a peninsula, plywood is a great way to go.